The big question, what's the next big thing? With stocks and cryptos like VAPE and DOGINME making headlines, FOMO is real. Today we'll break down some of the most talked about names, small cap stocks, DeFi tokens and more, so you can see what's really behind the hype. We'll cover companies like CEA Industries, Celcuity, Kyber Network, Home Token and others you've seen trending. The goal isn't to tell you what to buy, but to give you a clear, unbiased look at the fundamentals, risks and opportunities. This is not financial advice, just a starting point for your own research. Let's dive in. First up, VAPE, CEA Industries. Despite the ticker, they're not making vape pens. They build high-tech environments for growing crops, especially cannabis. Think of them as the picks and shovels of the cannabis industry, selling the tools, not the product. If cannabis grows, so should demand for CEA's services. But recent stock spikes are more about hype than fundamentals. As a low-float small-cap stock, VAPE is extremely volatile. Big gains, big losses, often on little news. Financials show inconsistent revenue and no profits yet. They're burning cash to grab market share, but profitability is a big question mark. The entire cannabis sector is volatile, driven by regulatory news. Federal legalization could be a huge catalyst or a major risk if delayed. The opportunity. If CEA becomes a leader in controlled agriculture, there's growth potential even beyond cannabis. But it's a high-risk, high-reward play tied to a volatile industry and market sentiment. This isn't for the faint of heart. Due diligence is a must. If you're considering VAPE, ask yourself, do you believe in their long-term vision and can you stomach the swings? The upside is real, but so is the risk of losing your investment. Don't let hype drive your decision. Look at the numbers. Regulatory changes could make or break this stock. Diversification into other crops could help, but it's not guaranteed. Watch for financial health and cash runway. Remember, small caps can move fast, both ways. Only invest what you can afford to lose. Let's move on. Next, VisionWave Holdings, VWAV. This Malaysian tech company offers IT consulting, software and cybersecurity. Southeast Asia's tech sector is booming and VWAV wants a piece of it, but they're a small fish in a big pond. Recent price spikes? Mostly speculation, not business breakthroughs. The IT space is crowded. Does VWAV have a unique edge or just another service provider? No major partnerships or standout products announced, so why the hype? Financially, small tech firms often burn cash fast. Watch for share dilution and cash runway. The opportunity? If they carve out a niche and show real growth, there's upside. But competition is fierce and volatility is high. Don't chase the pump, look for substance. Without a clear moat, this is a risky bet. Due diligence is critical. Let's keep going.